South Florida, brunch with me. Welcome to Brandon's Bistro. This is located in Pembroke Pines. The ambience alone was everything I was looking for. And I'd say it's an African American Caribbean fusion restaurant. Now, I don't normally talk about bathrooms, but their bathroom was clean as hell. 10 out of 10 for that. And you don't need a menu. So I started off with a raspberry mojito, really good. I'm not gonna lie, something caught my eye. This is Oxtail and Ackee. So executive chef came with a light. And it was a pleasure to meet him, and he does bring you your food. Now to the Ackee and the Oxtail. This was 10 out of 10. I'd definitely order this again. Let's have a closer look. Whoever thought about this had the right idea. This is what the aftermath looks like. Now, I couldn't finish the Ackee, so I can't go home. So they do have a mini bar and really good drinks. Capacity is 41 people. Get there.